Hello, Carians. Welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the second half of October. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to take the story as it resonates with you. So we have the Queen of Pentacles, the Death and Rebirth, the Star, the Hangman, something major going on. Eight of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, the Emperor, the Queen of Wands, the Two of Cups, okay, Six of Wands, the Fool, okay, the World, cool. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for Aquarians. Okay, so we have the Five of Diamonds, which is the Hierophant of this deck. Okay. Guidance from the angels. This one wants to come out. Let's see. I want to shuffle it properly before taking out a card for you, Aquarians. Okay, 17, celebration. Good. So Aquarians, with the Queen of Pentacles, you are sitting pretty comfortable. You have a very comfortable life, very cool. That's what I'm getting. You are sitting pretty comfortable in your situation, in your life, and pretty happy also. But then something happens. Some changes are coming in actually. Some change is coming in because with the Queen of Pentacles, I see following it is the Death and the Rebirth. Following is the Star, the Hangman. So definitely there is something, some important or a major transition coming in, which is requiring or which is actually ending that situation, whatever that situation is in which you are. Let me take some more cards for it. It's weird. The Devil here we have, which is popped out. Anyway, okay, in the Judgment, something major definitely. Aquarians. Some major transition, a major change, or a major shift is going on in your life. Okay. So there is something which is definitely changing, and this change is maybe you wanted this change because it's being followed by the Star. So what I feel is that it is something perhaps you actually wished for or wanted. It was a wish fulfillment followed by the death and the rebirth. Perhaps you were waiting for this from a long time with the Hanged Man and here with the Queen of Pentacles. Because one more thing which I'm getting is that you're not taking action over here. You're just sitting pretty complacent in your life, perhaps waiting for something with the Hangman over here, waiting for some sort of a dream come true perhaps since a long time. And with the death and the rebirth card, perhaps that is what is coming in now. The change, it's the shift now perhaps. Because here followed by is the the Eight of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles. So definitely there is a new beginning. So perhaps this stuck situation, you are waiting for your wishes to come true since a long time, and now things have started changing, and perhaps things are changing. You want some sort of a wish to be fulfilled. Okay, now these are the clarifiers which came up. Let's see how it progresses. So we have the Devil, the Judgment, the Two of Wands, the Eight of Wands, so Eight of Swords, Knight of Cups, and the Sun. So let's definitely with the Devil and with the Judgment, definitely it is a strong temptation. There is something with the death and the rebirth, the Star, if it talks about wish fulfillment, Hangman, you've been waiting for this since a long time. With the Eight of Pentacles, working hard on it. With the Ace of Pentacles, a new beginning over here. So it is a transition or change of something, definitely a major change. With the Devil and the Judgment, again it is a temptation, you really want it. It is a strong temptation that you really want it, followed by the Judgment. With the Two of Wands, you've been waiting for it earnestly. With the Eight of Swords, followed by the Knight of Cups, what I'm getting here is it can be a relationship over here, because you are not able to come out of it. With the Eight of Swords and with the Devil, it is something which is tempting you again and again towards itself, and it is engaging you. And with the Knight of Cups over here, it is definitely somebody. Maybe here you are not doing anything. Maybe you are trying to take that time to think about it, perhaps not taking any action. But it is your wish fulfillment. You want it. You want it. Maybe you are not showing any action, but you are working here with the Eight of Pentacles. Whatever it is something which you are being drawn to very passionately, very strongly, and you really want it. It's with the death and the rebirth, the Devil and the Judgment over here, the Star over here, Hangman. You are not able to come out of this, whatever it is. If it's a person or a situation, whatever it is, you've been waiting for it, or this person from a long time. You're not able to come out of it with the Eight of Swords and the Knight of Cups. So definitely it is talking about a person, whosoever you are dealing with, this person. Okay, so this is something which is, perhaps this situation is changing now, because here we have the Ace of Pentacles, which is talking about the new beginning. So this is what the death and the rebirth card is talking about, and the Star and the Hangman. So you've been wanting this, you're not able to leave this person. If it's a person or the situation, whatever it is, you are totally tied to it, you can't leave it. It's very tough for you to come out of this, or leave this person, or come out of the situation. And you are working hard on, deep within you want it, you have a new beginning with this person or in this situation. And followed by this is the Emperor, the Queen of Wands, the Two of Cups, Two of Cups, the Six of Wands. So what I'm getting here is, so this is a person whom you are tied to, you want a new beginning with, and perhaps that's what you are getting now. You're moving towards that new beginning with the Emperor and the Queen of Wands, followed by the Two of Cups. What I feel is it's a connection, it is a relationship which is coming in, which you are tied to since a long time. You are not able to give up that person for whatever reason it is. You are not able to come out of this situation for whatever this is. And here you are able to manifest it with the Two of Cups, the Six of Wands. You are happy with this connection, and it is coming in. because here we had the sun also. After the Knight of Cups, we had the sun also. So basically your wishes are being fulfilled. So that is the transition which is coming in your life. With the Two of Cups, this connection is coming in. With the Six of Wands, you are feeling very happy, celebrated, because I'm saying your wishes are coming true, because it's being, and the reading is ending here with the Fool and the World. So definitely you are taking that leap of faith. You are ready for this new beginning, which you have manifested here with the Ace of Pentacles, and you are moving into obviously a new phase of your life, and you are feeling happy. So it is a person or a situation which you cannot leave at any cost. You are being drawn to that person again and again. You cannot come out of it, or maybe you are that person, whatever it is, and here you want a new beginning, you want a beginning, you want a commitment, you want a relationship with this person, and you are finally getting it, and you are very, very happy about it. So actually you are manifesting it. And here with the Five of Diamonds, it's the Hierophant. So maybe there is actually a commitment coming in for you. Guidance from the angels, number 17 or number 8 may be of some significance for you. Celebration, it's a wonderful time of your life. Difficulties fall away, and the light at the end of the tunnel is the star you can wish upon. You had the star here also. The timing is right to make long-term plans for a joyful future. Have faith that things are going to turn out beautifully. So perhaps it's a relationship you've been waiting and waiting and waiting, and it is materializing, it's happening, and you are just not able to come out of it. That is what it is. You're obsessed by this person or the situation, whatever it is, and it is happening, it is coming in. So Aquarians, you're getting what you want basically. So I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.